Okay, so this is a quick demo of our shutter builder, and first of all we need to select what material we want our shutters made from. We can choose from MDF, thermalite, basswood or teakwood, and whichever option you choose is reflected in this panel here to the right. Also, this icon above each image gives you a brief description of the material and also some quick shutter specifications. So we're going to choose MDF for our example. And then in the next step we're going to give our shutter a name, so we're going to call the shutter kitchen. Enter your frame width, so we're going to say our frame width is 2 meters and our frame height is 1 meter. Select which style shutter you want, so you can select full height shutter. If you select a full height with a mid rail, you need to enter the location you want the mid rail positioned at, and this is measured from the windowsill up to the center of your mid rail. So if we want it at the midway point, we enter 500. You can either select cafe style or tier on tier, and again if you select tier on tier you need to enter the height you want the top and bottom panels to meet. If it's halfway, here we enter 500. Also, if you select full height shutter and your height is 1800 or more, you need to have a mid rail in your shutter. So here we enter the height our mid rail is going to be at. If it's at halfway, we're going to choose 900. Next step is choosing the number of shutter panels we want. So we're going to have 2 panels left, 2 panels right in this description, or if we just wanted 1 panel opening left and 2 right, or we could have 3 panels on the left, 3 panels on the right. We're going to opt for 2 panels left, 2 panels right. Just going back to the width of your frame. If your frame width is 2.2 meters or more, we're going to opt for 2.4 meters. When we choose the number of panels, we're given the option of including a T-post in our design. So basically a T-post allows you to have a number of wide panels without having to hinge the panels together. So if we choose to have a T-post, we then need to enter our configuration. So in our 4 panels we're going to have 1 panel on the left, then a T-post, 2 panels in the middle, 1 opening left, 1 opening right, T-post, and 1 panel on the right. So that configures as left, T, left, right, T, right. Now if we're having T-post, we need to enter the location that we want our T-post at, and this is measured from the left hand side to wherever you want your T-post. So our window we said was 2400 millimeters, so we're going to say our first T-post is at 600 and our second T-post is going to be at 1800. You can have the T-post wherever you want. Usually they will line up with the design of your window. Next step, we're going to choose our louver size, 6489 or 115 millimeter. Next we choose our frame type. You can choose from 4 types of L frame, standard L frame, or we've got 3 types of insert L frame, which allows you to fix the frame through the face, and this little cover slip here is replaced to conceal your screw heads, or 3 Z frames or 1 deco frame. If you choose a deco frame, you've got to remember to add in the width of the frames on left and right, and also top to the measurement you entered in step 2. Also choose the number of sides you want the frame on, so you can have it on all 4 sides. Left, right and the bottom would be normal for a cafe style, left, right and top, or you can have left, right and top, so a 3-sided frame with a sill plate. And a sill plate is normally used where you've got a protruding sill but you also want a bottom frame, and it would be used when you're fitting your shutters using a Z frame or a camber deco frame. And basically this little part that overlaps onto your wall on the bottom frame is trimmed off, So you're basically converting the bottom frame from a Z frame into an L frame, and that's going to sit flush on your protruding sail. Same with the camber deco frame, that will be trimmed off there. So that's if you choose a 3-sided frame with a sill plate. Next we choose the finish on our hinges. Tilt rod can be in the center, offset to one side, or if we choose a hidden tilt rod, it's going to add 10% to the price. And finally, you can choose the color you want your shutters finished in. That's it. Click add to basket, and you get a chance to go over your shutter details that you've selected. You can then build another shutter, and you can proceed to checkout, where you enter your name, address, shipping details. And at the bottom here we've got a text box where if you have any specific instructions to give us on delivery, or any specific details regarding your order, like you want extra cover slips or something that you need to include, you can enter your details there. Confirm order details, and you'll make your payment in the next step. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.